So now let's take a look at the Smart Document Camera 450 and some of its features. I'm not going to go over every single one. I'm just going to go over the main ones that I use and that you'll need in your classroom. Starting with the structure of the device itself. This arm right here is a flexible arm. It can bend in any direction, and attached to it is the camera piece itself. The camera lens sits underneath it, and there is a light right here on the bottom side of the camera. In order to turn the light on, you have to click the light button right here. You're going to have two modes that you use most of the time. One is the document camera setting, which is this top button that allows you to see documents that you place under the camera. The other setting is computer mode, and that will display whatever you have on your computer screen onto the interactive whiteboard. And then we have your zoom in and out buttons that allows you to make documents that you have under the camera larger or smaller on the screen. And of course your power button. It's going to flash green right when you turn it on. If it's not powered on, it's going to be orange. So on your interactive whiteboard, if you're not getting a connection, it's probably because your document camera is not turned on. So you would just push that button right there. And then for the board itself, the main things that you need to know are the pointer feature. This button right here, it works just like a mouse pointer. You want to make sure that it's pressed when you're trying to select things on the board. If you're wanting to write on the board, you have these four choices of pen color, so you would push the one that you want, and a little light comes on when that color is selected, and that allows you to write on the board. And then if you want to erase what you've written, you have to click the eraser, and that light also lights up when the eraser is selected. The boards come with two pens that just allows you to write more clearly. You can also write on the whiteboards with your hands. And then it also comes with an eraser. Again, you don't have to have it. It just helps you be a little bit more precise, but you can also use your hand. And then over on the right side of the board, you've got a mouse button. You've got a keyboard, so if you wanted to type into a web page or something, you would click the keyboard and a digital keyboard would come up on the screen. And then you have the calibration button here. If your point of touch is out of alignment on your screen, you click the calibration button, and it will walk you through a couple of steps and it'll line that up for you. So that is the basics of your board and of your document camera, and now we can move on to Smart Notebook.